Welcome student. Now in last class we have started new chapter amines, okay, amines, and from this chapter we have finished definition part, basic idea about amines, what are amines, their definition, then common nomenclature, and then classification and IUPAC nomenclature. Now in this class I am going to discuss with you preparation of amines. Amines, there are various methods to prepare amines, okay. So first method, by ammonolysis of alkyl halide, by ammonolysis of alkyl halide. So this is the method to prepare amines. Now in this reaction we know alkyl halide is Rx. From this alkyl halide we have to prepare amine RNH2, okay. So this is the actual reaction taking place. Rx means alkyl halide getting converted into R bond NH2, means what changes occur in this reaction? In this reaction halogen atom get replaced by NH2 amino group, means it is just a substitution reaction and it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here halogen atom getting replaced by NH2, okay, means X minus get replaced by NH2 minus. So it is SN reaction, it is SN reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now what we have to do in this reaction? See, in this reaction this alkyl halide Rx is heated with alcoholic solution of ammonia, excess alcoholic solution of ammonia means NH3 in sealed copper tube at 373 Kelvin temperature, okay. This is the reaction condition. We have to this reaction mixture is heated in sealed copper tube at temperature 373. Then what happen? RNH2 is formed along with HX, okay. This is primary amine and okay side product. So what actually happen? This Rx react with we can write like this, NH3 we can write HNH2, okay. This is alcoholic solution of ammonia. Then this bond will break and getting converted into RNH2, okay. So in this reaction halogen atom get replaced by NH2, halogen halide atom or halogen atom get replaced by amino group. Therefore it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. And in this reaction particularly this bond between R and X, the bond between carbon and halogen which is present in alkyl halide, this is alkyl halide, see alkyl halide, the bond carbon and halogen bond is break due to ammonia, so that's why this reaction is known as ammonolysis, okay. Why it is called as ammonolysis? Because lysis means bond breaking. So this bond, the bond between carbon and halogen which is present in alkyl halide is get broken by ammonia Therefore, it is called ammonolysis reaction. Ammonolysis. This is the meaning of ammonolysis. And again, one thing is that in this reaction, this alkyl group, if we observe carefully, this alkyl group from alkyl halide replacing hydrogen atom of ammonia. There is substitution of hydrogen atom by alkyl group from alkyl halide. Therefore, it is also known as alkylation of ammonia. Okay. So, this is another name for this reaction. First, one of the name is ammonolysis of alkyl halide, because the bond R bond X getting broken by using ammonia. Therefore, it is called ammonolysis. As well as in this reaction, hydrogen atom of ammonia get replaced by alkyl group. Therefore, another name is alkylation of ammonia. Alkylation. Okay. So, this is just reaction, general reaction. And one problem is that in this reaction, the problem is that here we are reacting alkyl halide with ammonia. Ammonia is taken excess alcoholic solution. Okay. First, it will form R bond NH2, that is primary amine, and along with HX. But what happened? This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here ammonia or NH2 act as a nucleophile, but this primary amine which is a product in this step is more nucleophilic than ammonia. It is more strong nucleophile than ammonia. Therefore, in next step what happen? This primary amine react with another molecule of alkyl halide, and form secondary amine. How? This primary amine act as a nucleophile. Now NH R primary amine we have written like this, then R NH H and HX, that is secondary amine. Again this secondary amine react with third molecule of alkyl halide, then give tertiary amine in this way. See, in this way, and this is tertiary amine, and finally again this tertiary amine react with, here I will write, this primary amine again react with fourth molecule of alkyl halide and form, this is act as a nucleophile and form quaternary ammonium halide. This is the structure for this quaternary ammonium halide. Okay. So, this is called alkylation. All the hydrogen atom from ammonia get replaced by alkyl group. That's why it is called alkylation. Okay. So, in this reaction we have used excess of alcoholic solution of ammonia. Therefore, these steps occur. First, it will form primary amine, then primary get converted to secondary, then secondary get converted to tertiary, and tertiary get converted to quaternary. This is quaternary ammonium salt. Okay. So, that's why if you want primary amine, okay, during reaction primary amine will form, but immediately it will get converted into secondary, secondary to tertiary, and tertiary to quaternary. There, this is one of the limitation of this reaction. But if we use limited quantity of ammonia, Rx plus NH3 alcoholic solution limited, okay, then calculated quantity of ammonia, then it only give primary amine, not secondary, not tertiary. Okay. So, this is the reaction. So, in this way we can prepare primary amine. For example, so we have to start this reaction with alkyl halide, any alkyl halide we can take. For example, ethyl bromide, take ethyl bromide, react this ethyl bromide with ammonia, NH2 alcoholic solution, then heat, copper seal tube 373 Kelvin temperature, then you will get CH3 CH2 NH2 plus HBr, that is ethylamine. Ethylamine. What is the IUPAC name for this? Ethenamine. Ethenamine. Okay. Then one more example, CH3 CH2 CH2I. Suppose N propyl iodide. You can take any alkyl halide. N propyl iodide react with ammonia HNH2 alcoholic solution, then heat it. It will give just HI will lose HBr, HI, CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2, okay, plus HI. So N propylamine or N propylamine or 1-propanamine. IUPAC name 1-propanamine. Okay. So in this way, by this method, by ammonolysis of alkyl halide, we can easily prepare primary amine. Okay. So this is one of the method for the preparation of amine. Now second method, another method in which what is another method? By reduction of nitro compound. By second method, by reduction of nitro compound. See, in second method, aliphatic or aromatic amine, get reduced. Aliphatic or aromatic nitro compound, not amine, nitro compound get reduced to amine, corresponding primary amine, and in this reaction we have to use reducing agent like SnHCl or FeHCl or ZnHCl, or we can also perform catalytic hydrogenation. So in this reaction NO2 group get converted into NH2 group. So very simple method. Second method, very simple. By reduction of nitro compound. Nitro compound means RNO2, or for example aromatic, it may be aromatic, nitrobenzene. This is nitroalkane. This nitroalkane, when treated with reducing agents such as SnHCl, or we can use another reducing agent, then this NO2 group get converted into NH2. So in this reaction, how many hydrogen atom used? 6 nascent hydrogen, free hydrogen atom get produced by this reducing agent SnHCl. This SnHCl react together and produce this 6 free hydrogen atom. Then this free hydrogen atom reduce NO2, convert NO2 group into NH2. This is primary amine. Okay. Similarly, if we take aromatic nitro compound, same reaction, SnHCl Fe, then it get NH2 plus twice H2O. This is reduction method. Okay. Now instead of this reducing agent, we can use FeHCl or zinc HCl, or sometime even catalytic reduction, hydrogenation, hydrogen gas and nickel. Okay. So this reducing agent we can use here in this reaction. So RNO2 means nitroalkane react with reducing agent SnHCl in presence of heat. This reducing reagent produce 6 free hydrogen and then that reduce or convert NO2 into NH2. Okay. So nitroalkane get converted into primary amine. Similarly here also. Okay. Again one reagent lithium aluminum hydride. This reagent is also used in this reaction. Okay. So for example, so what we have to do? We have to treat this nitroalkane, for example CH3 CH2NO2 nitroethane, for example nitroethane. This nitroethane is heated with reducing agent like SnHCl. It will going to produce 6 hydrogen atom and then it will convert this free hydrogen, convert NO2 into NH2 plus twice H2O. So this is ethyl amine. Okay. So this is one of the best reaction or method for the conversion of nitroalkane into primary amine. So